Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Noshra Ibti Baharom and matrix number is AN190067. And now I will explain about my individual assignment, which is the boiling water. In this experiment, I will explain about 5 parts, which is introduction, experiment setup, result, discussion, and any relevant information. For my introduction, for this experiment, we are required to conduct experiment related to thermodynamics application. We will also need to apply fundamental theory of thermodynamics and fluid mechanics in this experiment by using appropriate instrument and methods. For experiment setup, I will show the procedure of doing the experiment with cover lid open and lid cover lid closed. This is the result that I get from my experiment. Time taken for water to boil with cover lid open. The first taken is 485.19 and second is 479.64 and average for cover lid open is 482.42, while for the cover lid closed, the first taken is 432.12 and second taken is 420.19 and the average is 426.16 seconds. The discussion of this experiment are, from the experiment, we know that the time required to boil water in open cover lid more than closed cover lid. And this experiment related to first and second law of thermodynamics, or specifically in closed system and open system. And this principle can be applied to refrigerator, air conditioner, and heat pump. In this experiment, both the situation will absorb heat from the heater and carry it up. So there is an exchange of energy in both cases from the heater or surrounding to the system of water. However, a kettle with a lid prevents the removal of heat from it. In contrast, in the case of the kettle, it can be easy to remove the heat from kettle to surrounding without the cover. Basically, the lid preventing atmospheric temperature from entering the kettle and leaving the kettle. So here, the kettle with the lid is an example of closed system, while the kettle without the cover is an example of open system. An open system can be defined as a system that freely exchanges energy and matter with its surrounding. In contrast, a closed system is a system that exchanges only energy with its surrounding, but not matters. I think that's all from me. Thank you.